Hi. Now in this video we will be seeing string operators. Last video was about arithmetic operators. Now we will be seeing string operators in Perl. The first string operator I will be showing you is concatenation. So this is very much important, and this is very much used while we write any Perl programming or a Perl script. Okay, so concatenation means we have to merge two names, like the first name or last name, or the first name or the surname, to combine together, or we might be receiving multiple data fields or informations data from an upstream system, and where you have to merge those data into a one field and you have to process it. So here I'm taking you some simple example. Here I'm trying to merge or concatenate first name and surname and name it as a name. Okay, and also we have another string operations, like where we will be we need to repeat a certain text first multiple number of times, or you wanted to print a particular character multiple number of times. So then we can use this x operate x. So $line equals to hyphen. I wanted to repeat this hyphen 80 times, so that you can repeat this. Hello will be repeated thrice, and the same way page line and the page lines and the thing dollars. So this is the shortcut variable, so this is equivalent to this, and this is equivalent to this. Let me show you some sample example here by moving it to this programs. So I have a program already written with the name as string cat. So here what I'm doing is I have declared one variable called first name John, and this next name it as a burger, John burger. Then I'm trying to concatenate these two strings, first name and last name, and here is the concatenate operator that I am using. And print name, this will be, the output should be like John burger, right? Then we have to repeat the text. I wanted to repeat the text hyphen, and I'm trying to print Perl for 10 times. Okay, let's see and execute this program. So Perl. Okay, so what is the program name? stringcat .pl. See, you can see the concatenation of two strings is John burger, so that means it has merged two variables, and after that it has printed these lines, I mean a hyphen symbol for 50 times, and in the same time I'm trying to print the Perl string for 20 or 10 times, so it fixed exactly in this, and then another I'm repeating the line for this. So in this way we can make use of this concatenations or string operators. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great and pleasureful day.